The permit said isolated, and the system was not. That mismatch is one of the most dangerous lies in industrial work. Because once paper says a line is safe, people start lending their bodies to assumptions that should have been verified in steel. The donkey professor stands beside a line-breaking job while a crew prepares to open equipment that everyone believes has already been secured from live process. The form is signed, the status is marked, the language sounds official enough to relax the room. Then the flange opens, and product, pressure, or vapor reveals what the paperwork could not stop. The blind was never installed, or the wrong point was isolated, or the physical separation was incomplete in a way no signature could fix after the fact. The professor explains the deeper lesson with almost painful calm. Administrative control is not physical control. A permit record's intent, a valve position can drift, leak, or be misunderstood. But positive isolation, a correctly installed blind, a proven disconnected section, a verified physical barrier, that is what actually interrupts hazard energy in a way the line must obey. He traces the failure chain: weak verification, assumption during handover, poor field check, trust in status boards over hardware, and a culture where paperwork is treated as proof instead of as a prompt to confirm proof. The donkey professor leaves one rule every process team should hear until it becomes instinct. If the hazard is serious, the isolation must be physical, visible, and verified in the field, not merely described in the permit. Because paper can authorize the job, but only hardware can stop the line from telling the truth the hard way. Type this in the comments. Safety first. Subscribe to join the few who seek truth. Share this with a warrior who needs